Yo, welcome to the Ghc Weekly. This is episode 13 of these wonderful updates that you guys have asked for. So this week has been mental busy. And I know I say this every single week, but this week, exceptionally busy. So we've had call-outs, we've had water leaks, we've had a massive push at the big build. Now the big build, we have had a huge push on all the plastering. That is pretty much all plastered out upstairs. We've had the shower tray, we fitted that back down. We've got loads of second fix carpentry going on. We've got second fix electrics going on. We've got the downstairs, the ground floor prepped, ready for a bit more plastering for because we did obviously the rewire that's going through all of that. Steve fitted all the fire linings, the fire door linings, and started to hang all the doors. So by this time, at the end of today, because it's Friday, because I am in the studio, he will have had all the doors fitted as well. So that is absolutely awesome. So we've had my van sign written, and also we've had Lou's done as well now. So like all of the brand new Ghc wagons are all now fully livered up. Oh, it's been a busy one. So stay tuned, see what's coming up. So yesterday, the boys skimmed out, you can see from the darker patches on the walls. So they've got all the stairwell, which is what they're up to right now. So that wall is fresh. That's why I have to be really careful when I go round. My boxes are all nice and cleaned out because of me, obviously. Waiting for the reaction on the reaction cam there.
I'm on my way.
Yeah, here he is, look. So they're all cleaned out because of me. So I did a wonderful job. Look, this is how I always leave them, right? So I go loop, light, two-way, right? And I keep them like this. That's how I want them, but this guy, because he's crazy, he likes me not to put any notes on, leave it really long and work around it. What do you reckon?
Yeah, that sounds dreamy.
Just like you, isn't it?
Dreamy.
So that's happened. So Shawnee is doing a wonderful job right now, getting a bit of skim on there.
Home run.
On the home run, innit, mate? And then Lou is just see a trowel down there. So there he is. Look, there's a trowel there, and he is doing the underside of these. Clay is on clean-up crew. Very busy. Loads going on, and then when I go back downstairs, you'll see Steve, because I think he's trying to hang, is it the fire doors, isn't it?
Fire doors.
Is that right, yeah.
So going into the existing bedrooms and knocking them about a bit.
Yeah, so it was supposed to be a bit of a cleaner day, but yesterday he absolutely flied on with it and just got all the linings out. And it was a bit of a mess. It was a bit of a mess, but it meant today he's got a better day moving forward. So, yeah, so very good. So
he is on it.
My little helper's not with me. He's getting himself an education.
That's why I'm sending my little helper to fill in. Why he's pretending to work at college, get better, make his life better.
It's not true. So these guys are bickering about how untidy Sean is.
I think he finds how untidy he was. Oh, he was filthy yesterday.
Well, he's been busy boy, ain't you, mate? I'll stick up for you. Stop picking on him. So he's been doing all the door lines, like I said earlier on. So he's been very busy, and he just blasted on with those, and there wasn't an ounce of dust or mess, was there?
You need to get these cracks all sorted. Everywhere.
There's a hole there. There's a hole there.
Yeah.
If you took that door liners out with a bit of tender love and care, that wouldn't have happened.
Bit of what?
Tender love and care.
What's that?
It's a band, honestly. Right, so I thought I'd just build this up a little bit, because check this out. Right, so today we've got a bit of a, what do we call it? It's a little bit of a nightmare. We've got a water leak. So at the property where I've just come out to, we did a massive extension for these, a good few years ago, and all of a sudden a water leak has happened, which they think is come from the ensuite. So me and Steve are going to turn up today and we're going to go and have a look, find out what it is, hopefully not cause any damage, because that was obviously what we don't want, but we are going to have to do some investigation. So it's going to be a little bit of a hit and miss. I genuinely don't know what's going to happen, whether it's going to be a major problem or something little. I'm hoping for something little, but knowing us, it's something massive. So what we've got is, I've just lifted this out because you can see that. Got a bit of movement there, which is clear, but that is where the water is going to be getting through the seal, getting down and leaking onto the ceiling. So we're going to get that all stripped out, clean it all off, re-silicone it, and that should be a winner. Right, so we are at the big build right now, and Sean is skimming within the inch of his life. Has it all been done? It's not. It's not all been done. It's not all been done. So, he's got loads of walls on the go at the minute. So Sean is the only one on the trowel right this second. Clay is labouring for Sean. He's also emptying out there because I believe this guy wants me to get the shower tray down. Is that correct?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
That'd be awesome.
And if you could just tile the room as well while you're at it.
Sorry, and this guy wants what? What do you want?
If you could get the tiling done in there as well.
Yeah, why not? Just crack on. Electrics, no bother. We're not doing that today. We're not doing any of that.
Electrics, you're not very good at that.
No.
Stick to the tiling.
Less than average, I would say. So yeah, so looks like they want me to do that. So it might be on with that now.
You've got 2 hands, haven't you?
Yeah.
Do the electrics on it. Sure.
Do what?
Do both at the same time.
What, like that? Get on with it. I understand. So that is the assignment. Obviously it's horrific snow, about 3 foot deep out there. It's horrific out there. We can barely make it to the van. It's
Yeah, you can make it in.
It's blizzard season out there. Oh, looks like I'm gonna get on with some of that, but also like where we got these. So Sean's not skimmed this bit yet, so I'm hopefully going to try and get the dry liners in before he starts doing all that, because that will make my life easier. My life easier. So yeah, so Clay's just getting out, emptying that room because that was used as a bit of a storeroom. So he's just going to move all that out. Sean's got about 3 million walls on the go, have you not?
Yeah, so get out of my way.
Yeah, this is all right. It's all right, mate. Mate, got loads of questions for you. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Let's just slow him down. So Sean is now in charge of what?
Operations.
So
I'm trying to operate it.
he's trying to operate, and I'm slowing him down. So it's see, he lost his trowel, but he's in charge of operations. So, but yeah, so we've all got defined roles within the business, and we're going to make another video on that at a later date on the way we're changing the way we do things here at the GHC. So anyway, better get some kit out of the van, obviously blizzard season, and then I can get that tray down. Okay, so as you've seen, I've measured out where the shower tray needs to be, so I marked it down, drew around it on the floor, and also the circle for the waste where that's going to sit. So obviously now that is not going to fit straight on top of there. I'm going to have to do some modifications to the floor. Now with a lot of the shower wastes, there is always like a bit of a weird kink that they need in it. So we did all the first fix knowing that full well that it's going to be in that sort of vicinity. So we're good to go on that bit. So what I'm going to do now is going to use the oscillator and cut that out much bigger, so it allows a little bit room for manoeuvring, and then that way we can then get the shower tray all bonded down and all sorted. So I think what we're going to do is, because of the amount of dust that we've got on the floor, we're going to get some SPR run on there, which will give it, stop all the dust, so obviously the shower tray then can have a real good adhesion to the floor. Build site and got stuck in traffic, I know, with all these real world problems. So in fairness, we've now got to go and grab Lou's van, because we've just had a phone call from Chris and he said Lou's van is all sorted, so we've got to go and sort that lot out as well. So we're just not going to have enough time to do anything else. But it's been a bit of an action-packed day, in fairness. Steve's been very busy. Clay is just tidying up a bit downstairs, so we're going to show you that. So all the skimming is done on the stairwell now, which makes a massive difference. And all the door linings are all in. So they're all in. So Steve's managed to get that door hung, that one, and that one. So all of these are fire doors, and the reason why they're fire doors is because obviously it is a loft conversion, and part and parcel of the building regs that you need a continuous path to escape. So a little fire escape as such. All the doors need to be fire doors, and also the linings need to be fire linings as well. Oh, hang on, I've got some people. I didn't lock it. Oh, hello. The door wasn't locked.
I don't think no handle, so you can't.
Ah, that is true.
Slightly hitched.
That might be a slight snafu there. There's not really much point in having a handle on there on a Juliet balcony, is there? Because that scaffold is not going to be there.
No, it's not.
You know. So, the boys, what have you been doing?
A bit of guttering.
Guttering.
Bit of guttering.
Bit of finishing touches outside, ready for the rendering.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Good. I like to see it. I wondered where my oscillator was. That was.
Shoot.
You need Daddy to lift you. Come on. Papa lift. Come on. There you go. Who said we don't have teamwork here at the GHC?
All teamwork.
You're not feeling very well. Sean's not very well either. Which doesn't help. So, I know. Steve's forced him outside into the wilderness. Right, so on that note, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. Link is in the corner, and we will see you on the next one. See you in a bit.